Hello everyone, welcome back to Airlines Quest. Today, our radar has picked up on some truly exciting news, a potential game changer for Riyadh Air and Boeing. According to recent reports from Bloomberg, Riyadh Air is on the brink of finalizing a substantial order for up to 100 Boeing 737 MAX. The grand unveiling of this deal is anticipated to take place at the much-anticipated Dubai Airshow, set to unfold its wings from November 13th to 17th, 2023. As we eagerly await the specifics of this groundbreaking deal, industry insiders speculate that Riyadh Air could be on the verge of committing to 50 firm orders for the 737 MAX, with an additional 50 options in the pipeline. The intrigue deepens when we ponder over the potential selection of aircraft variants, with the MAX 8 and MAX 9 already soaring the skies, while the MAX 7 and MAX 10 eagerly await their certification badges. Riyadh Air's strategic maneuvers in the aviation chessboard suggest a carefully calibrated move to introduce narrow-body aircraft into its extensive long-haul fleet. Beyond the ambition to offer seamless long-haul connectivity to Saudi Arabia, Riyadh Air envisions establishing itself as a formidable player in the short-haul travel domain. Now let's turn the spotlight onto you, our aviation aficionados. How do you envision Riyadh Air configuring its fleet of 737 MAX? Will the airline opt for the comfort of recliner seats, or could a surprise unveiling of flat beds throughout the fleet be on the horizon? The tantalizing prospect of a dual configuration strategy, catering to both long European flights and shorter Gulf region hops, sparks our imagination. In a strategic move earlier this year, Riyadh Air not only captured headlines, but also secured a prominent spot in Boeing's illustrious lineup. The airline inked a deal for up to 72 Boeing 787, underlining a clear preference for the American aerospace giant. If all goes according to plan, Riyadh Air might be on track to curate an all-Boeing fleet, at least in the foreseeable future. While the aviation landscape often echoes with political undertones in aircraft orders, the decision-making calculus may lean more toward securing advantageous prices and, crucially, ensuring timely delivery slots. This is particularly paramount for a dynamic startup airline gearing up for operational debut in 2025. However, don't be caught off guard if Riyadh Air decides to diversify its portfolio with Airbus jets down the runway, especially if rapid expansion is in its flight plan. As the aviation community eagerly anticipates the Dubai Airshow, the stage is set for a riveting spectacle. Despite the prevailing global uncertainties, whispers in the aviation corridors suggest that several new aircraft orders are poised for announcement. Stay tuned with us as we keep a vigilant eye on Riyadh Air's impending revelation. We invite you to share your predictions, expectations, and insights in the comments below.